Highroads Travelers today gets real. We're in Katmandu, walking past school children and sacred cows to reach the Bagmati River, where an ancient Hindu cremation ritual still happens every day. It's raw, emotional, and honestly a little intense for Western brains. Watching a body return to the elements by fire is humbling, beautiful, and whoa, this is real. And we were welcome to witness it. You're going to want to see this. Okay, Mr. Kabil, you brought me to what I think is now the most fascinating place in Nepal, the crematorium.
Yeah, exactly.
Now, I thought this was going to be a ceremonial crematorium from the old days, but this is a working crematorium.
Nowadays also.
Okay, so we have potentially
You can see the
4 dead bodies behind us.
Yeah.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4
Yeah.
in little areas and the fire going.
Yeah.
Also, this hay fire right behind us, probably just to keep the air clean. The crematorium probably has a smell.
yeah. It's like you can see the crematorium when they do all the process, then bring the dead body from the cleaning place to the here, and they make the wooden frame, turn the body 3 times for the wooden frame. The oldest son or nearest person from the dead body with fire 3 times to turn for the
Wow.
dead body. Put a first fire on a dead body's mouth.
Now,
Make-
the crematorium is cremating people is
Start from the
popular
mouth.
here in Nepal because we don't bury people, right?
Yeah. Now only we buried children and pregnant women.
That is fascinating. So, Mr. Kabil is saying that almost everybody is cremated,
98.
except for 98%, except for small babies and pregnant women.
Yeah,
because they're already clean.
Exactly. The crematorium in Hinduism is a symbol of the purity,
Wow.
cleanness. So purification. So that's why when we do the cremate in here, it means for the children we don't need to clean for them, and pregnant woman she's like a mother goddess.
Okay.
So
Speaking of goddess, I see a temple up over
behind there's a Shiva temple. You can
Yeah.
see the point is
Shiva,
like
the
god of
destroyer.
destruction. Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Okay. This is absolutely fascinating. Now, how about this river that's running right?
It's
past
called
us
the
here?
Bagmati River.
Oh.
It comes from the there is the Shivapuri jungle. There is called the Bagdur. It comes from there, then connect with the Ganges.
It flows all the way into the Ganges.
Ganges. And the province name of this one comes from this river.
Okay.
It's called the Bagmati too.
The Bagmati
Yeah.
Tour. Okay.
Bagmati River is river connected with Ganges.
The license plate that you got for me, that says Bagmati on it.
Yeah,
So it must be
exactly.
from here.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to get a little closer look, but wow, I've never been in a crematorium, certainly never one that's working, and it looks like it's going today.
Yeah, exactly.
It's got a couple of customers.
Yeah.
Wow.
He's the nearest person from the dead body.
Okay, he's the closest relative to the dead person.
Dead person.
And he stays there and watches?
And not watches. He's separate from today. Till 13 day, he need to do the mourning ceremony.
Okay, so there's one of the funeral pyres. So
Yeah.
right now we see 1 funeral pyre, 2,
3,
oh my gosh, whoa.
4,
Holy
5,
cow.
6.
Wow, this is a busy day at the crematorium.
Exactly.
Okay, now what do we do with the ashes?
To push in the river.
We put them in the river.
Because the river take the ashes in the Ganges.
Okay, so the river takes the ashes all the way to the Ganges.
Ganges, yeah.
Okay, that doesn't sound that clean, but it
Because
sounds
of
like
the more busy, you know.
Okay.
The river is very busy. It's like because you know the lot of Hindu people try to bring their dead body here, try to send the spirit and have it.
wow.
Yeah. Okay, we're checking out the second stage of the cremation process. Now, right in front of the temple by the river,
There's all the family members, and they are preparing the body. So cleansing the body is the second step, and they're wrapping it with cloths. Now they're getting ready to move it. Now, where will they move it from here?
From here to place other side for the cremation, you can see there.
Hey,
That one is
okay.
on the other side also.
They're getting the funeral pyre ready.
Yeah. Just place that far. Yeah.
now, how long will a body take to cremate?
4 to 5 hours.
4 to 5 hours.
Yeah.
And will the family members stay here the whole time?
Wait for that. Yeah.
Until it's returned to ash, and then those ashes will
Put in the river.
be thrown into the Ganges.
Yeah.
The Bagmati.
Yeah.
And flow down into the Ganges.
Yes, exactly.
Wow, that is
And
fascinating.
you can see one guy, you can see the white hat and down. See?
Yes.
Yeah, he's to give the water for the sun and clean himself. You can see the guy in town, in the river.
Okay.
Yeah.
I will tell you that this is fascinating. This is the closest that I or most people from America are ever going to get to an actual cremation.
Yeah.
And it's really fascinating. If we get a shot of everyone's around here, you said this is just part of daily life.
While we're waiting for the cleansing ritual to finish, the ashes of the last cremation are swept into the river. When the body has been wrapped in white, they'll carry her in procession to the funeral ghat, and I think they're going to allow us to join.
Tell me about the flowers that are on top.
Marigold flower is
Marigold.
symbolize the purity, cleanness.
Marigolds symbolize purity.
We're following the procession, and we were across the river at a high vantage point because it was the only place we could see the cleansing ritual. They were nice enough to tell us we could join, so we hustling back to cross over the river, and now we've joined the procession. The funeral mourners will circle the funeral ghat 3 times in ritual. Notice that the body has the marigolds draped over it. And now the body that's perfumed, bathed, and cleansed is ready for their journey to nirvana. Notice the sun is exposing his right shoulder. And now the mourners, led by the oldest son, also circle the funeral pyre 3 times before getting ready to put the fire in his mother's mouth. The ancient ritual says that Hindu, the mouth, is the source of all activity. So therefore, that's what's purified first. And then the feet are kissed. I know you've never seen anything like that before. I know I haven't. Incredible. And now an incredible amount of wood is stacked on top of the mother. And there are the offerings. Camphor, sugar, black sesame seeds. And straw will completely cover the funeral pyre for the slow burn over the next few hours. I think that the attendant gauges how much wood is needed. And this is about an hour in. The funeral pyre just slowly burning. And we came back after 4 hours, and this is what's left, just the last remnants. Thank you and blessings, Katmandu. I was honored to be here.